What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show how I am creating revenue attribution from social media posts and can get it down to the very specific post that the individual engaged with prior to signing up. Now, one of the challenges that marketeers are facing is we put a lot of effort into our content strategy and general kind of social media presence, but we have no way of actually truly understanding the attribution. We can see the source came from a particular social site, but we can't see the actual post or the individual user that it came from. And so basically, this is how I'm doing this. And to do this, I'm using three tools: Triggerify, n8n, and Attio as a CRM. So first of all, we look at the n8n flow. It's a super simple one. Essentially, we're taking any data coming in from Triggerify, and effectively we are updating our Attio system to log the attribution. So if I take it back a step, the first thing that I'm doing is I'm monitoring my brand, I'm monitoring the company profile, my profile, and other individuals inside of Triggerify. And anytime someone is engaging with my content, I'm sending it through via a webhook into n8n. And then n8n is basically, first of all, checking that these individuals are ICP. So here I'm looking to make sure that their marketing growth, they've got like demand in their title, founders, and they're of a certain location and kind of like demographic, so to speak. What then happens is that then basically sends this data through into my Attio. And I'm updating three fields: engagement type, engagement URL, user engaged with, and the engaged with date. So what you can see here, this basically means, okay, hey, this is the URL that they engaged with, i.e. the post. This is the engagement type, i.e. they liked or they commented. This is the user, so this could be Hugo on my team, this could be the company profile, Triggerify, and this is the date that they actually, i.e. liked or commented. And so what's really, really cool is, for example, here we have a customer. They engaged with and commented on one of my posts back on February 13th. And if we scroll over here, we can have a look at, they signed up on the 13th, but didn't become a customer until April 17th. Now, here's the issue, is if I was doing a typical like attribution process, I probably would have attributed maybe a newsletter or maybe something else as the reason that they actually signed up to Triggerify, because I wouldn't have known that they actually engaged with a post like 2 months prior to signing up, which would have been the reason that they actually came on to Triggerify in the first place, and the reason that they started to create this kind of engagement loop cycle essentially with us as well. And so this is a really great way of incentivizing individual reps to start posting. It's a really great way of actually narrowing an attribution all the way down to a granular level from social, which is just impossible before. And so therefore you can start to work out and prioritize not only which content gets traction, but which content actually converts. And so I've done a deep dive on my YouTube on this whole entire flow and how I set this up. So you can go ahead there and check it out. Otherwise, hit me up if you want some help setting something like this up.